Good morning, everyone. So it is Saturday today, and I am just heading to the new place. As you guys can see, I couldn't be bothered to do my hair this morning. It's really early. I think it's 6:30 in the morning today. The internet person is going to be coming to my place from 7:30 to noon, so I have to be there at 7:30. And as you guys can see, I have loaded up. I don't know why I thought it would be okay for me to take my TV by myself. I have already scratched it, but yeah, I think I got a little too excited that that my internet was gonna be installed. But yeah, anyways, I'm so tired. I'm so hungry too. I have no food at my old place. At my new place, I'm gonna go to McDonald's quickly before I head out. See you guys at the new place. So I made it to the new place. I managed to get the TV upstairs, if you can see that. I only dinged it once, so hopefully it is okay. But I did go grab some McDonald's on my way. Bacon egg muffin and a large apple juice, just because I could make coffee here, so I didn't really want to get coffee there. But yeah, I'm just gonna like sort out the mess that I have created, and then yeah, wait for the technician to come. Hopefully he'll come here soon so I could bring in more stuff. I'll see you guys later. So I thought I'd give you guys an update of what I'm up to. I'm back in the old place. I'm going back and forth quite a bit, but I'm just cleaning up like my makeup drawer, and as you guys can see, there is like a blush that exploded, and the rest of my place is still a mess. Oh my god, I hate moving. I really hate moving. This is the first time that I'm fully moving the things without movers, and I don't think I'm ever gonna do this again. Well, I figured that it would be better. I'm sorry, I'm just hiding because this is like my work jacket. So, yeah, I just figured that, you know, since I didn't have my couch or my media unit and all of that, I wouldn't need that much help to move stuff. But I still have so much crap, you guys. It's incredible. And look at this. I have resorted to just sitting down on the floor because I'm just pooped. I've been awake. I only slept 4 hours today, which in retrospect is not that bad because there are some days where I only sleep 2 hours, so 4 hours is actually pretty good. But yes, you guys can see when my hair is like tied, it's a busy day. Hey guys, so it is the end of the day. Well, actually it's only 5 p.m, but it feels like the end of the day because I was awake since like 5 in the morning, but we made progress. My friend Liberty came and helped me, and she's so much more organized than I am, so we got things done. She's looking at me really badly right now, but I'll show you guys the progress we made. So as you guys can see, I put up my magnets. These are pretty much the places that I've been throughout the years with Patrick, and we filled in the cupboards, some of them anyways. I have my knives out, cookbook, and my toaster, and this is pretty much almost done. I have some few bits and bobs there. These are just like the covers for the knives that I bought, and over here too it's pretty much filled up. There's still not much furniture over here, but as you can see, we unpacked some boxes. I'm doing a load of laundry. The bathroom is definitely nowhere near complete, but I'm filming. Yeah. But yeah, I have my little drink tray over here, and it's still pretty much empty over here. I do have my TV, like I mentioned, that I dragged all by myself over here, but yeah. Anyways, I just wanted to give you guys an update. I know that I look really rough right now. My hair is a mess, but yeah, so far good progress. Tomorrow is a big move-in day. My furnitures are gonna arrive, and then Monday, Patrick and I are going to be purchasing some new furniture. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna vlog a little later, but if not, I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. So today is officially moving day, and I know I keep complaining of how awful I look, but it is moving day, so I woke up really early. I woke up at 4 in the morning to do some last minute packing because I'm a last minute person, and I don't know why my comeback to YouTube has me looking all haggard, but it's fine. I'm gonna put a little bit of makeup later on. So as you guys can see, I've taken apart the dresser, well, the drawers at least. I'm going to put my mattress in this little mattress bag. I'm gonna keep the sheets on just because I'm paranoid it still gets dirty, just because it's just a clear plastic, this bag. But let me show you guys the rest as well. My sister has officially moved out too, so it was just me last night. But as you can see, a lot of moving stuff. So I have, of course, Patrick that's gonna help move, my brother as well, and Patrick's friend Paul. So hopefully this goes pretty quickly because I've only reserved the elevator for 2 hours, but I don't have that much stuff, so hopefully it works. And the rest are there's 3 guys, so hopefully that works out. So yeah, let me try to attempt to put this in a mattress bag. Maybe I should do a time lapse. We'll do that. So my mattress is all taped up, and I put a lot of tape this time because last time I put a mattress pad, it completely like ripped open where I had taped it, so I just wanted to make sure. And since I am, I am moving to a different apartment, not just an apartment above, I really wanted to make sure it's secure, so bed is done now for that metal bed frame. We're here at U-Haul and we had a little bit of issues with picking up the truck because they gave us the wrong key initially. It was a smaller truck, but the truck we rented is actually pretty big. Patrick is in the truck right now, so I'm driving to my brother's place to pick him up and the moving will start. It's really cold outside and I packed all my like winter stuff in the new place, so hopefully it'll be fine. But yeah, I'm on my way to pick up my brother. So we just finished moving and now we're just doing a quick little grocery haul. So this is just our grocery for now. What do you need?
Chill.
Alright guys, so I thought I'd show you guys the progress we made. The TV is definitely not going to be staying there, but since we don't have a media unit yet. So yeah, we made the bed. I'm washing our bed sheets and the rest of the place is just still a very mess. And we ordered takeout from Mexican takeout from Tres Amigos, which is pretty cool that they delivered from our place. What is this? Can you open this for me, please?
Something I'm allergic to.
Something. What is that?
Cheese.
It's cheese. Oh man, that's that's a dream. This is the nachos that we got. Yum. Patrick. And what is the next thing we got? This is my calamari. Patrick hates that stuff. And this is probably Patrick's meal. There you go. Your tortillas are here. Alright guys, so we're gonna eat. Probably gonna call it a night for the vlog. We're still gonna do some unpacking. And yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye!